Love the place, very clean and staff are very accommodating. Awesome hotel. The location of the hotel is in prime area in Dubai. Cleanliness and hygiene are excellent. Staff are polite and helpful. Complimentary breakfast provided is very tasty and wide range of menu. Overall it's a good experience. Atana Hotel, nice stay at Atana Hotel. Decent hotel with friendly staff, nice hotel with all amenities. Highly recommended. We stayed in this hotel for 2 days and it was fantastic. Breakfast overload. I love the room overlooking at the Burj Al Arab and beauty of Barsha. Staff are very kind and accommodating. I will sure come back next time. Steve UK, excellent hotel, everything first class. Exceptional, wonderful staff, honey is great. Exceptional, fully recommend, best in service, location and food. Good place, everything was good. Excellent service, very lovely hotel with excellent service and good helpful staffs. Exceptional, good hotel, staff are very nice, near to metro. Perfect, it was perfect for us, thank you. Wonderful stay. Had a wonderful stay there, happy to stay in an upgraded room, nice breakfast, will come back for sure, location excellent, 5 minutes walk to Internet City Metro, thumbs up, A-OK hand, heart, very satisfied, good stuff, clean facility. My visit to Atana Hotel on January 19, 2024. I loved the location of the hotel, and the first thing that catches your attention is the lobby. It is beautiful, spacious, clear, and tidy. The reception staff were friendly with us and completed our check-in within a few minutes, despite the crowd. The rooms are very clean and spacious, and everything was available.